Chelsea kembali bermain di Stamford Bridge dalam lanjutan Liga Inggris di pekan yang ketiga. Menghadapi Fulham dalam laga bertajuk Derby London Barat ini, menciptakan beberapa catatan menarik. Serta ada beberapa info yang akan kami sampaikan. Info Champions League.
Chelsea.
Drawing Liga Champions 2025-2026 resmi diselenggarakan pada tanggal 28 Agustus di Monaco. Sebelum drawing ini dilakukan, UEFA memberikan sebuah penghargaan kepada Chelsea FC, sebagai klub pertama yang berhasil meraih semua gelar di ajang Eropa, suatu rekor yang mungkin cukup sulit untuk dapat dipecahkan. Chelsea yang tahun ini kembali mentas di ajang Champions League, akan berhadapan dengan beberapa klub papan atas. Inilah hasil drawing dan pertandingan yang akan dihadapi Chelsea FC. Info Carabao Cup. Sementara itu untuk drawing Carabao Cup, Chelsea akan memulai dari putaran ketiga. Chelsea akan berhadapan dengan Lincoln City. Lincoln City adalah klub kasta ketiga Liga Inggris. Update pemain Chelsea. Rumor Xavi Simons ke Chelsea akhirnya terjawab sudah. Pemain berkebangsaan Belanda tersebut merapat ke Tottenham Hotspur. Namun, kepindahan Garnacho ke Chelsea FC akhirnya juga terrealisasi. Bahkan Alejandro Garnacho berada di Stamford Bridge pada pertandingan ini. Sementara Christopher Nkunku resmi berseragam AC Milan. Untuk Nicholas Jackson akan dipinjamkan ke Bayern Munchen. Jackson sudah terbang ke Munchen dalam negosiasi tersebut. Delap cedera. Liam Delap mengalami cedera otot hamstring pada menit ke-15. Dirinya harus menepi dan terpaksa digantikan oleh George. Setelah pertandingan selesai, Maresca mengkonfirmasi akibat cedera tersebut membuat Delap harus menepi selama kurang lebih 6-8 pekan. Gol Joao Pedro. Sebelum turun minum, Joao Pedro berhasil menyerangkan gol ke gawang Bryan Leno, merubah skor menjadi 1-0 di babak yang pertama. Gol penalti Chelsea. Sebelum Enzo menambah gol lewat penalti, pertandingan sempat berhenti cukup lama saat wasit mengecek VAR. Hal tersebut akibat adanya 3 insiden yang terjadi di depan mulut gawang Fulham. Pertama, Joao Pedro terindikasi melakukan handsball. Kedua, pelanggaran yang dilakukan oleh Caicedo. Dan yang terakhir, handsball yang dilakukan oleh Sessegnon. Hingga akhirnya wasit menunjuk titik putih. Joao Pedro layak man of the match. Performa Joao Pedro semakin meningkat terutama sebagai gelandang serang Chelsea. Semenjak cederanya Palmer, posisi tersebut diisi oleh Joao Pedro. Dan dia berhasil berperan di lini tengah serang Chelsea. Namun dengan cederanya Delap di babak pertama, dia bergeser menggantikan posisi Delap. Hasilnya sama seperti di pertandingan perdana Chelsea kalah melawan Crystal Palace. Dipasang di posisi depan, Joao Pedro cukup kesulitan untuk menembus lini pertahanan lawan. Selain Joao Pedro, Trevoh Chalobah juga tampil cukup baik di pertandingan kali ini. Dia juga layak dinobatkan sebagai man of the match. Berhasil membawa Chelsea clean sheet pada pertandingan kali ini. Chelsea memulai babak yang pertama. Tak ada perubahan formasi pada starting line up mereka. Formasi yang digunakan saat mereka berhasil mengalahkan West Ham United di pertandingan sebelumnya. Cole Palmer juga masih mengalami cedera dan belum 100% fit untuk diturunkan. Gol Fulham dianulir. Fulham berhasil mencetak gol ke gawang Chelsea dan merubah skor menjadi 1-0. Namun beruntung, gol Joshua King ke gawang Sanchez dianulir oleh wasit. Karena dianggap terjadi pelanggaran kepada Chalobah sebelum proses gol tersebut tercipta. Uniknya ini adalah gol ketiga ke gawang Chelsea yang dianulir oleh wasit dalam 3 pertandingan secara beruntun. Gol Eze dianulir karena Guehi melakukan pelanggaran saat terjadi tendangan bebas. Gol Fulkur dianulir karena sudah dalam posisi offside. Dan ini adalah gol ketiga yang dianulir. Di babak yang kedua Chelsea melakukan 3 kali pergantian pemain. Menariknya, George ditarik keluar oleh Maresca. Dia masuk di babak yang pertama dari bangku cadangan menggantikan Delap. Namun di babak kedua ini dia ditarik kembali ke bangku cadangan dan digantikan oleh Andre Santos. Inilah beberapa fakta menarik yang terjadi di babak yang kedua. Nasib George di Chelsea. Sepertinya George harus mulai memikirkan nasibnya sekarang di Chelsea. Meski berita tentang pendekatan beberapa klub kepadanya belum ada negosiasi yang lebih lanjut. Pasalnya di Chelsea dia jarang mendapatkan menit bermain. Bahkan di pertandingan ini, meski sempat diturunkan namun dia ditarik kembali di babak yang kedua. Ditambah dengan kehadiran Garnacho di skuad Chelsea, menambah persaingan untuk lini depan Chelsea terutama di posisinya. Performa Enzo Fernandez. Enzo berhasil menambahkan keunggulan Chelsea FC lewat titik putih. Merubah skor menjadi 2-0 untuk keunggulan The Blues. Enzo memang mendapatkan rating tertinggi di pertandingan kali ini. Namun dilihat dari performanya, sepertinya dia kurang maksimal mengawal lini tengah. Bahkan dia terlihat mengamuk tanpa alasan saat babak pertama berakhir. Rating tersebut pun dia dapatkan karena berhasil mencatatkan 1 assist lewat sepakan pojok, serta gol yang dia ciptakan lewat tendangan penalti. Chelsea krisis lini depan. Dengan cederanya Delap, serta dikonfirmasikan akan menepi selama 6-8 pekan, membuat Maresca menjadi kembali dilema. Kini hanya tersisa Joao Pedro sebagai cadangan untuk Liam Delap. Mengingat Chelsea yang masih bermain di ajang domestik maupun Eropa, tentu saja hal tersebut tidak memungkinkan. Ditambah bursa transfer yang akan segera ditutup. Apakah Chelsea akan tetap memburu striker baru? Atau Chelsea akan menarik kembali pemain di klub lain yang masih dalam masa pinjaman? Dan inilah berbagai momen yang terjadi selama 90 menit pertandingan.
Performance. Techniques still clearing the 91st game. Think envious glances. Chelsea's one midfield alongside Enzo Fernandez. One of the Liam Delap, Fulham
Go back, so it's a real challenge.
on the move. Cucurella.
It being interesting tactically,
It's restocked and
just to try to match.
on. And there's the first shot. It's driven in low by Joao Pedro.
Where Maresca puts the fullbacks, and he obviously just
Pulls it back for Delap, who shoots, and that's a really good.
You talked before, Darren, about the end, got himself in the way.
Last Friday, not quite fit enough to cut spectators. I thought he might be watching more. There's Ali 18, he's already played for Chelsea's number 7.
He's still just playing.
Liam Delap. It's not what you want to see. To think about down this side, Delap's as though his day is swarming up down there for Chelsea.
Run, and you can just see the discomfort.
It would change now, he'd go and play through the middle. It's such a flexible player
Yeah.
in this match.
Darren, he's a good player, Joao Pedro.
Pitch, Tyreek George. Last season, second youngest. His first
Silva.
London rivals, so if you can win that column.
So that end of the pitch, but
To send Webber
For Fulham, King steadies himself and
still on the floor. Maybe look at this is the foul that Chelsea are fantastic. Sees the run.
what a moment that is. 18 years.
Contact. He's going to go have a look. He got to see it a couple of times. That's
on the foot of the Chelsea defender.
A couple of times in their own penalty area, they've taken trust in them. Knees, that's a good save by Sanchez. Rob Jones said when he spoke on the mic, would that concern you, the fact I think he's exasperated. It's not very good at all from Enzo Fernandez.
Fulham.
There's Todd Bowley.
So a couple of times he's found himself just
Enzo Fernandez, but that's fantastic.
and just the way that Fulham sitting in front. You've got real problems for Chelsea. They're not being able to get out the way they want. It's been a tough introduction to this game.
Enzo Fernandez and Pedro Neto. It's teased in by Neto. Step out at Neto taking on Castagna. That's good. Chelsea have done well from corners.
They've improved so much. Set our box. Just make sure you put physical.
The delivery there from Simon Muniz. Here's Lukic, and that's it. And then Chaibar needed to be. He's not seen that as a foul, Rob Jones. And Esteban.
When they get the ball, up the
It's a good.
just couldn't get his body in there, waiting for the ball to come down.
This is that Esteval
Just through the back. See, he was just faced one-on-one with him.
but he pulls it back. It's Timothy Castagne. It's not the first time. And look at the reaction from Sanchez.
Just haven't got that much time in.
And he just lost control.
Feet from Neto.
Having had the shot that led to the corner, Tosin's. Sado's shot falls there for Tyreek. Chelsea get a chance. It's their first shot since. That's not going to improve the mood of the Fulham bench. Most excellent start to his career at Stamford.
Tell you what, João Pedro, in terms of in front of goal.
Fantastic start. There's confirmation, and it's at the referee's discretion.
You see just movement of Bassett. See, just, of course, it's just the timing of his jumping, making it.
More importantly, he's waiting for the referee. It's it back again from Chalobah. João Pedro. Appealing. Caicedo drills it through.
And he had his arms in the air to jump with the hands by.
And he scores. Keeper got a piece of it.
Etc. Etc. It was just a question of João Pedro.
Celebration from the Chelsea.
João Pedro one happened.
Still going, Esteban. A teenager.
Yeah, and he's getting a little bit more room back. So difficult to defend against that. It's
coming forward. Here's Enzo Fernandez, Sander Bergen. João Pedro took it well. Bernd Leno's in no man's.
look, I think, João Pedro, whether he's just like he's onside, he does have a look there.
Here's João Pedro.
It's not just about the effect of the goal.
Coming in there with João.
He's the only one who recognised it. Couldn't get on the end of.
So Fulham are going to make 2 more changes, or at least. Jamie Gittins to the side.
Just comes alive on the ball. Harry George will have learnt a lot since he's come on.
Deliver the cross in, and Anderson. This one. Everybody did. Then Arsenal changed it and went for Gusto.
So Fernandez said about him being better second half. Now find themselves 2-0 behind. Tite was waiting for that.
No.
No.
It's James. Lucy. 10 minutes holding the ball again.
Yeah, and it's
Not a bad ball in either, but that's well defended for Stride.
get one back.
To João Pedro!
In Chelsea's favour.
Shoots Reece James for Bernd Leno.
Chance.
Just shot him back, João Pedro. To win.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got an issue. Looks like the calf look. For Andre San.
Yeah, as you can see him holding his foot there.
Feels like an appropriate time to do your player of the match.
Yeah, just in areas, really intelligent run.
And the best years, we've got Harry Wilson and Raul Jimenez over the front. You know, sometimes you come to after the international break. Fulham goal. Played on to Harry Wilson, and that's good. I think what has impressed me today about Chelsea, 4 or 5 the full-time whistle on Trevor Chalobah, and second half, Sessegnon adjudged to have had.
Dengan hasil ini, Chelsea berhasil clean sheet serta meraih tambahan 3 poin. Chelsea kini menduduki peringkat 2 klasemen. Di pertandingan berikutnya Chelsea akan bertandang ke markas Brentford. Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Keep the blue flag flying high.